guys, welcome back to my channel, The Happiness Monger. So today I'm here with a different content altogether. I'm going to cook in my channel and not only me. So this time I will be accompanied with my mom and my sister. Of course, they're gonna work behind the scene definitely. So I'm gonna share 5 ideas about what you can cook during the lockdown. I understand surviving lockdown is a huge task. You have so much of time and you have nothing to do. So I have also seen a trend throughout the globe that people are learning new things, especially cooking, and yes, I've also started doing that. So yeah, so I thought me and my mom gonna share the recipes of 5 dishes that you can definitely try out this lockdown and savor your taste buds. So while making this video, I've also taken into consideration the food material which is available to us is very less. I've also used those items which is common to every household. Let's not waste any time and hop into the video. Let us start with making one of the trending beverages, that is Dalgona coffee. So guys, this is how it looks and it's quite creamy. So the next dish is Korean street toast. Just got to know about this beautiful and amazing dish, and I have been making this during my self quarantine, and I thought let me share my whole experience with you guys. So yeah, so we're gonna make that, and it's very simple. I hope you will like it. Korean street toast बनाबले बहुत easy है. First मैं लइसु प्याज, some sweet corn, capsicum, carrot, cabbage, and some chili. Also we'll add salt, butter, mayonnaise, egg. এতিয়া মই এইবোৰ সব mix কৰি capsicum, corn, प्याज আৰু জলকীয়া. আপোনালোকে পেপাৰো এড কৰিব পাৰে. সো মই ব্ৰেডটো কোকোনাট অইল দি টোষ্ট কৰি লৈছোঁ, বাট আপোনালোকে বাটাৰো ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে. এড সাম বাটাৰ. Main ingredient in Korean street toast is sugar, and we are supposed to add some sugar, some ketchup, some mayonnaise, mix like this. So I'm adding a cheese slice, put the hot veg and egg mix, repeat the same process. So this is how it looks like, and we're gonna have this. This is so yummy, so yummy. So the next dish is kind of little different, that is Dalia Buna khichdi. We all have heard rice buna khichdi, but this is something different made up of dalia, and I hope you will definitely like this when you make it at your home. Light the gas. এতিয়া আমাৰ ভাজা হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া আমি অলপ হালধি আৰু নিমখ দিম এতিয়া মই গৰম পানী দিম এতিয়া ঢাকনিখিনি মই লগাই দি আছোঁ আৰু দুটা চিটি মাৰিলে মই বন্ধ কৰি দিম So our next food item to hold vegetable dal pakora. প্ৰথমতে মই দালটো 1 মিনিট সিজাইছো So the mix looks like this. Next dish is going to be a sweet dish. During this lockdown period, I was craving for sweets so bad, and then I ended up learning a new sweet dish from my mom, that is a sweet made up of calabash. In Assamese it is a flower pie. লাউটো আমি এতিয়া গ্ৰেট কৰি লৈ আছো বহুত মিহি মিহিকে হ'ব লাগিব ঘিটো গৰম হৈ গ'ল অলপ ৰঙা ৰঙা কালাৰটো হৈ আছে এতিয়া আমি কাজু আৰু কিচমিচ দিম enjoyed the video, and if you did, so give it a big fat thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, The Happiness Monger. If you really want such more cooking videos in my channel, so let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely convince my mom and my sister to share their recipes with you guys in this channel. So yeah, subscribe for more such updates. Yeah, bye.